Okay, next step is to remove the baseboard, moldings, casement around the doors and windows in the bath, as seen here. This room had lots of wallpaper on it. Wallpaper is now removed all around the walls, except for behind the mirrors. That's next. Mount the thermostat for the heated floor. Patch the walls where wiring had to be ran. Connect the thermostat to the power behind this GFCI. Next step is to remove the carpet. Start modifying the floor. Okay, the rug is removed. Toilet's removed. And we're down to the subfloor. The door jambs are undercut to match the height of the tile, so they'll slip under. Next step is we need to lay out where the heated floor warm wire goes. Okay, all of the dams for the self-leveling compound are installed all around the perimeter. The straps to hold the wire are all installed with the correct spacing. The wire is ran up in behind the wall to be ready to be connected to an electrical box. Now we have all of the heated wire in and mounted. And along the inside of the dam there's a layer of caulking to prevent the self-leveling compound from running underneath. The heat sensor is located right there, which determines the heat for the thermostat that's on the wall. So, next step is pour the self-leveling compound. The self-leveling compound is down and dry, filled out pretty nicely. It's very smooth on the surface and very flat. Next step, install a layer of Detra over the top of the self-leveling compound and the dam boards. Okay, the Detra is down. Detra is a crack isolation membrane that keeps the movement of the substrate, which in this case is self-leveling cement and OSB, from transmitting up through the tile and cracking the grout. This goes down with a polymer modified thin set. Goes all the way around the toilet and in the linen closet. Everywhere there's tile to be laid. Next step is to lay out the tile. This is the layout of the tiles as a start. This is known as a running bond, except in this version the tiles are offset by 1/3 of the length of tile versus half of a tile. These are large format tiles, and the purpose of that is to prevent lippage because of crowning of these big tiles. These are 12 by 24 inch tiles. And this even goes down into the linen closet. Lots of tiles. So next step is to thin set these down using an unmodified thin set. So they run up to a datum line. So we'll do this portion first and then come back and do the second portion. Okay, the tile is all laid and ready for grouting. This is the main room, tile in the linen closet, come to the vanity, in the shower and toilet room. Thermostat is installed and operable. See if we can find a close-up there. And next step is grout. We're going to be using the same grout as the shower, which is called the Dorian Gray.